Hello students, as earlier in part 1 of lesson number 17 Acharya Charakah, that we have already seen that the which type of contribution is given of Acharya Charak in Charak Samhita. It is a world famous book of Ayurveda. Now here in this book, that earlier we have seen that total 8 chapters are there, and in that 8 chapter there are 120 adhyay is there, and in that 120 adhyay and in 8 chapter totally that 12,000 shlokas will be there. Now the next is like this in your 68 number page, that Dwadasha Sahasra Shlokatmakam Vartate means 12,000 shlokas is there in that book, and Atra Prayah Sahasra Dvayam Aushadh Yoganam Vistrutam Vyakhyanam Asti means in that book there are Sahasra Dvayam means that 2000 औषध योगाना means that composition of medicines. तो ये बुक के अंदर that 2000 types की medicines के बारे में भी that विस्तृतम व्याख्यानम means descriptive knowledge is given over here. Then अस्मिन व्याख्याने means in this volume, in this book, ज्वरः, these are the names of the disease. ज्वरः, रक्तपीतः, उन्मादः, अतिसारः, प्रमेहादीनां, उदरशिरो, हृदयादीनां च रोगाणां निवारकानि विनाशकानि च औषधानि उल्लिखितानि सन्ति. So these are the names that ज्वरः, रक्तपीतः, उन्मादः, अतिसारः and प्रमेहादीनां means that fever, diabetes, then diarrhea, that the disease from your stomach, head, heart. These are that rogaranam nivaranakam means nivar means that remove, that how the man will remove these disease from the body. Vinashakana means the destroy the disease. Aushadhani ullikhitani means mention, that Acharya Charak has mentioned many more solution in this book, that how we have to keep healthy from these disease. So here the word meaning is that the Sahasradvayam means 2000. Sahasradvayam means 2000. 2000. Then the another Aushadh Yoganam means composition of medicine. Then the another one, that the Nivarakani means those who remove, then Vinashakani means destroy, so those who destroy means destroy. Ullikhitani means mention. It means mention. So here that it is mentioned many types of disease, that we have already seen the names. Now एवं ही मन्यते means in similarly ऐसा माना गया है कि यत् भारते, it means in India, औषध विज्ञानस्य प्रवर्तक अयम एव आचार्यः. founder of in India, that founder of pharmacology is these आचार्य only, मतलब इंडिया के अंदर ये आचार्य ने ही फार्माकोलॉजी की शुरुआत की थी. So here the word औषध विज्ञान means pharmacology and प्रवर्तक means founder. Now निखिलम अपि आयुर्वेद साहित्यम आचार्यस्य चरकस्य उच्छिष्टम अस्ति. उच्छिष्टम अस्ति means left over, means all the entire Ayurved Sahitya. Ayurved Sahitya means literature of Ayurved. Acharya Charakasya means that all the literature of the Ayurved is all the leftover from the Acharya Charak. मतलब उनका बहुत ही लिखा हुआ है, means all the literature is written by most probably of Acharya Charak. Then अतः च आयुर्वेद शास्त्रीयम यत ज्ञानम. ज्ञानम means knowledge. चरक संहिताया वर्तते. वर्तते means inside the चरक संहिता book the whatever knowledge is there, तदेव सर्वत्र वर्तते. सर्वत्र means everywhere. So the word सर्वत्र, सर्वत्र means everywhere. And the another word that pravartakah. Pravartakah means founder. He is a founder of that Ayurved literature, Ayurved knowledge. Now then vartate tadev sarvatra means everywhere. The knowledge which is given in Charaka Samhita, that knowledge is given everywhere. Now चरक संहिताया यतः नास्ति. नास्ति means not in चरक संहिता. यत कुत्र अपि न वर्तते means the knowledge which is not given in चरक संहिता, it is not given everywhere. मतलब कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेगा आपको. तो आप जो चरक संहिता में नॉलेज मिलेगा that given everywhere, and if it is not there in चरक संहिता, so it is not given anywhere. So now only for this sentence that we can identify how the importance of that Acharya Charak. Why? Because we have already given the 8 chapters, then 120 adhyay, then 12,000 verses, and then the 2,000 medicines is given, and here these 2 sentences also there. Then in Charak Samhita the knowledge is there, it is everywhere, and the knowledge is not there, so not given anywhere. So these sentences are proved how the important in Ayurveda literature that the Acharya Charak. So suppose in Google that if you have searched that Acharya Charak and Charak Samhita, so you will get also the most knowledge in about the Charak Samhita and the Acharya Charak. Now अस्य केचन उपदेशाः. उपदेशाः means instruction, knowledge. स्मर्तव्याः. स्मर्तव्याः means worthy for remembered. Santi means here in this book, then the Charak says to us of many instructions. तद्यथा is it like that, मतलब वो इस प्रकार से है. मनुष्यः केन प्रकारेण रोग रहितः भवितुम् अर्हति इति. Then here it is given the instruction is like this, that how the man will become their life without any disease. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने ये भी उपदेश दिया है कि जो मैन है वो कैसे अपने बॉडी को विदाउट रोग मुक्त अपनी बॉडी रख सकता है. सो नाउ हियर उपदेशा. उपदेशा मीन्स इंस्ट्रक्शंस, एंड द स्मर्तव्याः. स्मर्तव्याः मीन्स वर्थी टू बी रिमेम्बर्ड, एंड रोग रहितः मीन्स फ्री फ्रॉम disease. अहर्ति इति विषये उपदिशति आचार्यः means the Acharya Charak is giving many more things. Now the word meaning of Upadeshaha means instructions. Upadeshaha, that instructions. Smartavyaha means worthy to be remember, worthy to be remembered. उपदेशाः स्मर्तव्याः सन्ति and रोगरहित, then free from disease. So the another word रोगरहितः means free from disease. Free from disease. So I hope that whatever I have explained that you may understand very well with the help of this word meaning, that whatever I am explaining, try to solve it and read it once at your home of this lesson, and the next part we will see in our next video.